You're gonna taste this, you're gonna know much more about this one. So okay, please have it for taste some. You're gonna like those. Each type is nice, sweet. Those can be of this, let's say, of these nuts, of different types of nuts, and even of the dried fruits. And we just put those in the jar. So as you put this in this, let's say in the jar, you take it out, and after put it under the sun and just have some left so the jar won't eat, and you can just eat it in some time as it will get dried. Sometimes like these colorful ones, let's say yellow ones, they have colorfulness because of the fruits which they put in it. And it depends, like, they can be of honey, let's say of peach, let's say of different types of grape, and all of those, anything, like what you just, anything you can imagine actually.